Hello, Scouts. Alright, a little something different today. Caring for your roses. So if you have some roses at your house or where you live, they're actually pretty easy to take care of, right? So you have a pretty flower. Alright, let's see if we have any buds on this one. No buds on this one. But you have these pretty flowers, and then you have what's left over from the flowers. Alright? Now, there are a lot of people who will say what you have to do is you have to come in with your clippers and you've got to clip it down here, or they say you have to clip it up here, or they say you got to clip it somewhere down to the thing. And those ways may be correct, or they may be incorrect, or I really don't know. But the way that I do it, because I'm all for, what happens in nature and being a quote-unquote a lazy gardener. So, what I do is I just grab it, and if you twist it, pops right off. Alright, and when I do that, and you go over the whole bush, what you're going to find is that flowers just come back really quick, and I don't end up with a lot of, you see right here, or this one here, this is one I did, and the top, well, there you go, just easily broke off. But sometimes you'll get where the remainder of the stem dies. But it always goes to a natural breaking point and they'll naturally fall off. Okay? So if you have roses and you want to help your parents clean them up, right? If you see a flower that's totally dead or dying, right? And then throw this in your compost. Or right there. Alright? Remember to do your best. Keep gardening and have fun.